Got my Halloween decorations done earlier this year. No, those aren't Halloween decorations. That is a broken window. Do you want to spend 16 hours in a laundromat doing your laundry? Because I don't. That's what these customers did. They got here at 10 o'clock last night and they were here all the way till 2 o'clock this afternoon doing their laundry, breaking stuff, causing trouble. These are some clips from throughout the night and the morning, and we'll just leave it at that. I'll do some commentary during the clips to try to unravel what they were doing, what they were thinking, and just general. 125,000. That's exciting. Whack. The easiest way to dry clothes: slam them against a washer. All right, this is midnight. They're loading up the washers. They should be out of here by 2, right? Half an hour later, they got a bigger mess than they did a half an hour ago. Better Windex the machines. By 4 o'clock, they should surely be done, right? Yep, looks like they got all their clothes in washers. 4 o'clock, a couple hours later. Whoa, did you see that garbage can just spilled all that water in there? That was weird. Better go through the trash and get this trash out of here. It's 4 o'clock. Check out top left of the video. You got a table moving across the aisle right about now. They're going to put that in front of the change machine and do all their folding in front of the change machine and the soap machine so nobody can get change out. And you see in the right hand of the screen, it's a big lake over there as she's grabbing the garbage bag. All right. Nice spot to do all the laundry. Let's move this table over here. Why not? I think I got a better view of them dumping the water on the floor too. Oh yeah, here comes a big bin of water. I don't know where they got the water from, but who knows what they were doing there. They seem to want to take all the garbage bags out, bring all the garbage cans up front, only fold in front of the window that they broke. She admitted to me they broke it on accident. All right, this is them the previous night starting to do their laundry. Now they got a kid running around. So the kid ended up coming back around in the next day, but for the overnight, it was just them two. I don't know where all these clothes keep coming from. More clips, more clothes. They're bringing a ton of clothes in. All right. Should be drying. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Should almost be done, right? Been there for 10 hours. Got customers going over their clothes and their laundry to get quarters out of the machine. That's the worst spot for the folding tables ever. You got broken glass right behind her. Oh my gosh. This is in the morning. They're still not done with clothes. Let's see. Oh, add more stuff. I asked them if they were having a garage sale because they had all this stuff up front. And just more clothes everywhere. They had so many clothes. Probably the most damage that I've seen here so far. Got a company coming out today to give me a quote on it. Hopefully it's not too expensive. Probably won't go through insurance because that'll be I got a $1,000 deductible, and the glass that size probably, I don't know, $500 to $800, I'm guessing. You never know what you're going to encounter on a day-to-day basis. If your business is unattended, meaning people can come in and do what they want, sometimes it's going to be a surprise what you walk into. That's the nice thing about cameras. You can always go back and see what's going on. But hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we'll see the next one that's not causing me money or costing me money. So thanks for watching, guys.